So you're gonna take a piece of fabric, and I just got like a 1/3 of a yard, and then I cut it so that the bottom of the bag would be on the fold. So it's 30 inches long and about 7.5 or 8 inches wide. So first I'm gonna iron down like a 1/2 inch, and well, first I'm gonna make sure the front sides are facing in together. Then I'll iron down a 1/2 inch and then stitch along that on both sides like this. And then I'll face them back together. Then I'm gonna straight stitch about a 1/2 inch in on each of these. And then just at the corners, I'm just gonna cut a little bit of an angle sewn in on each corner. Then once your sides are sewn, you can just flip it inside out, or right side out, I guess. And then push all your corners out.